Happy 4th of July, everybody. Today,
happy birthday.
No, happy 4th of July, everybody. I'm with my family. Say hi, everybody. Good morning. Hey! And we're about to go to the beach to see some fireworks. So yeah. Kat, say something.
Say something. Happy 4th of July.
We have arrived at the beach and it's super late, so we probably won't even go on the beach. We just want to go somewhere to where we can see the actual fireworks. La 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 la. I hear them, but I don't see them. Can't really see anything. It's dark AF out here. Is it shooting? I can't tell the difference. That's what makes the watermelon. You want to plant a watermelon?
Yeah.
But that watermelon has no seeds, so. Oh well. Why is the flash on my phone? I don't remember putting this on.
We've been telling you.
I mean, I leave it in at night, but it's not. I'm inside now. I don't need this anymore. I don't know how technology works. Hi. You want to say so? How did you enjoy your 4th? You loved it. What all did you eat? Thank you. Oh, that's a big piece. I need a little. A huge piece of watermelon.
Yeah, we can plant.
You want a piece?
Is it
You want a piece? Try it. You don't like it. It's really like just water. What you want, boy? What you want? Don't call me by my government.
Okay.
What?
Okay, I gotta tell you something. I got the flash in my eye.
What you want? What you want?
Never mind.
Okay.
I just killed my watermelon.
I was over here still eating my watermelon. You want some more? Cause I'm over here like dying. Look at this big piece of watermelon.
Watermelon.
But I got watermelon to keep me clean. Anyways, yes, we just got back from the beach. We weren't there for long. We got there at the end of the show. That was fun. We had to drive all the way back.
Cold.
You're cold?
You're cold.
I don't believe it.
Or a hot steak and I.
Because I'm always.
Oh, wait.
Yeah.
But
I like just seeing how he kept
but overall, it was a good day. And now we're ending the night with watermelon. So, bye guys. Man, what is this? I'm over here trying to enjoy my 4th. And Big Hit over here dropping videos. And Namjoon over here. Y'all get on my nerve. Does this mean it's a comeback? I don't know what she wants. What do you want?
I want to be on camera.
You want to be on camera? Okay. Is this a comeback? I don't have any money. I'm broke. I can't buy another BTS album. Not at the moment.
Hi, people.
They took all my money with Wings and You Never Walk Alone. It was over.
Yeah. It's been ages since I've been Go check my brother out.
Get off my camera. I'm over here talking about Big Hit Entertainment. Being over here being extra. As they always are. Extra. Extra.
Yeah.
I can't. Right now.